Alright, here's my next mill steam engine. There's a 3-inch bore, 4-inch stroke. This pulley here is 12-inch diameter. It's all complete. I could add a alternator to it right in this area, and a 16-inch V-belt pulley there. Probably replace this one with it. And everything's ready to go. It's got a really nice oiler, swift oiler, that I'll install on it when I've got down time to. And I'll run it on steam next week maybe, once the weather gets a little better. And here it is on air. Blow-down valve right here. Won't quite run with those open. I put this valve on here to get oil into the cylinder in an emergency situation. It's kind of a blow-down valve too. Got a little oiler on top. Grease fitting here. Just crank it down there a little more and get some grease into that bearing. And on this side too, there's a grease fitting here as well. Yeah, so blow-down valves there, really nice ones. 12-inch pulley, 3-inch bore, 4-inch stroke. I machine all the parts, make the entire engine. I had extra copper from my boilers that I decided to use here and here. Pretty nice. Beautiful engine. It'll be for sale on eBay. You know, you can buy directly from me on eBay. eBay price is less 12%. With that you get, I'll crate it for free and take it to the freight company, and I'll split the cost of shipping with you too, 50-50. So if you're interested in this engine or any of my other ones or boilers, my email address is anacortesteam@gmail.com. anacortesteam, all one word, @gmail.com. And my phone number is 206-948-0770. Thanks for watching.